Remove pre-installed apps without script.
In the Intune Admin Center, go to Devices, Configurations and click on Create a new policy. Set policy platform Windows 10 and later and profile type setting catalog. Name the policy, so you could remember it later and add a description if you want. Now click on Add Settings. Click on Administrative Templates. Under Administrative Templates, look for Windows Components and then Package Deployment. Now click on Remove Default Microsoft Store Packages from the system. Turn on the setting toggle and see all apps and turn on toggle to true will be removed and false to remain installed. You can see you can remove default Microsoft Store from the devices. I will keep it enabled. I want to keep this installed. You can turn it off to remove from the devices. Skip the scope tags if you don't use them. In the assignment, assign this policy to the device group or test group for testing before deploying it to all devices. I assigned it to my test group, reviewed the policy, and clicked Create. The policy has been created successfully.